Back, let's have problem number 2, height and weight. Suppose that you collected data on weights in pounds along with their heights in inches from a random sample of 10 students. Do the correlation and regression analysis. So we have in our table, the x column is for the height, while the y column is for the weight. Let's first solve for the correlation coefficient. You could do it manually, or you could do it using your Microsoft Excel. In my case, I computed all the entries for the table. You see the x squared, the y squared, and the xy column, and also the summation in red boldface. You could pause this video if you want to have more time in solving the table and also in solving for our correlation coefficient. Based on the computation, here's the value of our R. It's 0.46. It's positive, and based on the interpretation table, it is interpreted as moderately low positive. You could pause this video if you need more time in reviewing for the solving of correlation coefficient. Based on our data, there are 10 students and the correlation coefficient is 0.46. Let's test for the significance of R. Our null hypothesis states that there is no significant relationship between height and weight, while the alternative hypothesis states that there is a significant relationship between height and weight. In step 2, we are going to compute for the value of t. You can pause this video and try solving for the value of t. Based on the computation, the value of our t is 1.47. Let's compare it with the critical value. Since our n is 10, so our degree of freedom is n minus 2, that's 8. And based on our t table for two-tailed, our t is 2.306. If you draw the normal curve, you'll realize that 1.47 is less than 2.306, and our computed t is found in the acceptance region. Thus, we make our decision. We do not have sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis. So we state our null. Thus, there is no significant relationship between height and weight. Since there is no significant relationship, then we could not do regression analysis.